55th Statehood Day of Manipur was celebrated today at First MR Parade Ground, Imphal, with Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla as the chief guest. The function was also attended by Manipur Security Advisor, DGP and other senior officials. The governor took the salute from 22 contingents, including 8 band contingents, during March past parade. Addressing the gathering, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla stating that the day marks the collective struggle of the state's people. He emphasized that achieving statehood within the Indian Union reflects constitutional empowerment and greater self-governance opportunities, while emphasizing the need for mutual respect and peace. The governor stressed the crucial importance of protecting the state's identity, upholding democratic values and unity with self-governance. He also expressed confidence that peace and communal harmony will enhance the state's development and success.
Statehood reflects the democratic ideal of governance of the people, for the people and by the people. It empowers the people in reaffirming Manipur's identity, democratic values and collective responsibility to ensure justice, unity and development for all. The development of the state can flourish when there is stability and trust among ourselves. Each one of us, especially our youth, has a vital role in nation building through discipline, hard work, innovation and a commitment to public good. The state has produced outstanding achievers in sports, arts, science, civil services, defense and public life, earning national and international recognition. The year 2025, the visits of Honorable Prime Minister of India and Honorable President of India to the state have reaffirmed the nation's strong commitment to Manipur's development, peace and constitutional values. During the Honorable Prime Minister's visit, several flagship projects and national initiatives were inaugurated or further advanced, marking a new phase in Manipur's development journey. Education and youth development have received renewed momentum through initiatives such as expansion of Eklavya Model Residential Schools, skill development under the Skill India Mission, and PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana and new opportunities for startups and technology-based industries through the IT Special Economic Zone in Mantri Puri. The Honorable President of India's visit in 2025 carried a profound message of constitutional values, unity and inclusive development.